Chef Pachi.
Hello everyone! Today we're going to make an amazing pesto. So here we go. We're going to start by processing our Parmesan. Top of the food. Oh, here it is. Now we are going to add our basil. Which are only the leaves, and it's washed and should be dry. We are going to add some garlic that I've taught you how to freeze so that you don't have to buy garlic and let it just go bad, but process it and keep it for all the time. We're going to add our salt, pinch of pepper, pine nuts, and we're going to mix, and then at the end we're going to add our olive oil. It's easier to do like this because it chops everything into tiny pieces and takes less time because it doesn't have the oil to make it dance around the food processor bowl. So if you don't have it dancing around the food processor bowl, it takes less time. So here we go with our olive oil. Two, three. If someone in your family doesn't like the taste of garlic, you can use roasted garlic. It is very subtle and they won't notice the difference, but it will flavor the food. So, you can do this in a power blender too. It's going to be a little less grainy, but for what you need, it's going to be perfect. Here we have our pesto with the Parmesan and the pine nuts and everything. We're doing it complete because a lot of times I do it only with the garlic, the olive oil, and a little bit of salt and pepper so that I can add any of the other ingredients later. But this time we're going to use it as is and eat it as the pesto. Oops. Disaster. And now we have our pesto and our chicken. And we are ready to just mix it and enjoy it.
Chef Pachi.